That's enough of the build for now. I'll put that at the end of the video if you want to watch the full thing. Basically, it's the exact same plans that were in the Skills with Phil video that he put out a few months back. The only difference that we made were that we made them a couple inches higher, and as you can see, the landing ramp is a little bit wider than the takeoff ramp. The reason I did that was just so it would make it easy to stack for storage, because now I can put the larger one on top of the other one for storage. So I guess the next thing to do is get out and ride them. Rich will be here in a few minutes, so then we'll get started.
We loaded up the ramps in the family truckster and headed up the road. There's a nice empty lot nearby that is owned by the local college. Hopefully they wouldn't mind us embarrassing ourselves for a little while. We decided to start slow, since one of us hasn't jumped a ramp for close to 2 decades, and the other hasn't in, well, ever. The feeling of going off the ground was quite alien at first. After a few attempts, we started to feel comfortable, so we decided to get risky. And then we decided to go all out extreme. Kids, don't try this at home. All right, Rich, the jumping master, is going to attempt the 3.5-foot crevasse. Can he do it? Ah, yeah. Well, you went slower. You were less confident.
Yeah. Definitely less confident.
You didn't case it anyway. I mean, your back tire did exactly what the ramp was supposed to do.
You gonna try that gap?
What are your thoughts about the ramp so far?
It's definitely helping me get over my fear of leaving the ground. I feel a lot more confident just about landing than I ever did.
What do you think about the design of the ramps?
Now, I love how, you know, it just launches you and you have a nice safe landing. I can't judge what kind of speed I need to clear any particular gap. So having that landing surface, I think that's the big confidence booster. You know, if I don't quite get off of this thing right, I'm probably gonna be okay.
This is going to be a good training tool. It's definitely going to help out on the trail, I think. Help us kind of get over some of our fears, some of our insecurities with certain obstacles. Because the way we do have that takeoff ramp with a little bit of a steep launch to it, it doesn't seem that big on camera, but when you approach it, it almost looks like you're approaching a wall.
It does.
And you like think you're just going to smack right into it.
I was worried that it was really going to pop me up in an uncontrollable way, but you can really, you know, just kind of pump going into it and just launch right off and feel real confident about the way you're getting into the air.
Well, I think the ramp has been a success. We're going to keep at it, and we're going to ride a little bit more. Even though these ramps took 3 days to build, it was totally worth it. I can't wait until the weather warms up to see if we feel any looser on them. Price-wise, it wasn't too expensive to make. In addition to whatever wood and stain I had laying around, I sunk about 50 bucks into them. The larger landing ramp did become quite heavy, and it's definitely helpful to have a friend help move it. Let me know in the comments below if you have built or plan to build a ramp of your own. And be sure to like and subscribe for future episodes. Until next time, stay young and ride safe.